Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Autocar India Quick News. Coming up over the next few minutes is your weekly snapshot to all the latest from the world of automobiles. But before we begin, do hit subscribe to the Autocar India channel and press the bell icon to stay notified on all our latest uploads. Let's start this week's news with the upcoming Tata Punch. The subcompact SUV has shown a stellar performance in its global NCAP crash test. The upcoming Tata Punch subcompact SUV has been rated a full 5-star rating for adult occupant safety in the crash test conducted by Global NCAP. The model received a 4-star rating for child occupant safety. The Punch scored 16.45 out of 17 points for adult occupant safety, making it score the highest achieved so far by any 5-star rated car in India, doing better than even the Tata Altroz and Mahindra XUV300. With respect to child safety, it earned 40.89 points out of a maximum of 49 points. The Punch is based on Tata's Alpha architecture and its body shell too was rated as stable and capable of withstanding further loadings by the safety watchdog. While bookings are open, Tata Motors will announce prices of the Punch on October 18th. You can watch a review of the Tata Punch in the video section of the Autocar India YouTube channel. MG Motor India has introduced the Astor midsize SUV at a special introductory price. MG has launched the Astor in India with introductory prices starting from 9.78 lakh rupees and going up to 16.78 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The crossover is available in 4 trims and these prices will be valid for the initial 5,000 units. While bookings will begin on October 21st, MG Motor India will reveal prices of the ADAS pack at a later date. Unlike its key competitors the Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos, the Astor is available with only 2 petrol engine options. It gets a 110 horsepower 1.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that comes mated to a 5-speed manual or an 8-step CVT and a 140 horsepower 1.3-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged unit that only gets a 6-speed torque converter automatic. The Astor is the petrol derivative of the MG ZS EV but is differentiated by its new front end with revised LED headlamps, new stainless steel grille as well as 17-inch alloy wheels and LED tail lamps. On the inside there is a dual-tone cabin with soft touch materials, a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a dashboard-mounted personal AI assistant. The crossover comes equipped with level 2 ADAS features such as autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keep assist. Other safety features include 6 airbags, ESP and all-wheel disc brakes. The Kia Sonet has completed 1 year of sales in India and is now available in a special anniversary edition. Kia India has introduced a limited run anniversary edition of the Sonet compact SUV priced at 10.79 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The anniversary edition is based on the mid-spec HT Xtreme and is available in both turbo petrol and diesel engine options, making it around 40,000 rupees more expensive than the respective HTX variants. While changes are cosmetic, they include a beefier skid plate on the front bumper as well as addition of skid plates on the sides of the crossover. These are complemented by tangerine highlights and the grille also gets orange accents along with placement of an anniversary edition emblem. There are no changes on the inside or to the powertrain and the Sonet Anniversary Edition is available with a 120 horsepower 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine and a 115 horsepower 1.5-litre turbo diesel unit. While the petrol gets the option of a 6-speed IMT and 7-speed DCT, the diesel comes mated to a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. BMW has launched a limited edition version of the 3 Series Gran Limousine in India. BMW India has launched a 3 Series Gran Limousine Iconic Edition priced at 53.5 lakh rupees for the 330 Li version and 54.9 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the 320 LD trim. The limited run variant gets exterior changes such as the iconic glow kidney grille, which is an illuminated front grille similar to what is offered on the BMW X6 SUV. On the inside, the Iconic Edition gets a crystal gear-shaped knob with an illuminated 3 logo. The car continues to get a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. There are comfort seats up front and cognac or black Vernesca leather upholstery at the rear. The 3 Series Iconic Edition is available in 3 exterior color options and the car remains mechanically unchanged to be powered by a 258 horsepower 2-litre turbo petrol engine or a 190 horsepower 2-litre turbo diesel mill. Both engines compare to an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The second generation versions of the KTM RC 125 and RC 200 have been launched in India. KTM has launched the 2022 RC 125 and RC 200 in India, priced at 1.82 lakh rupees and 2.09 lakh rupees at showroom Delhi respectively. The The motorcycles get a new design, sporting a large single-piece LED headlight on the RC200 and a halogen unit on the RC125. The front and side fairings have been redone too, and the bikes now also get a bigger 13.7 litre fuel tank compared to 9.5 litres earlier. There is a new LCD instrument cluster, clip-on handlebars and lighter wheels and brakes that make the RC125 now weigh 150 kilograms, while the new RC200 weighs 151 kilograms. The new RC125 comes powered by a 124.7cc engine that produces 15 horsepower and 12 Nm of peak torque. The RC200 on the other hand gets a 199.5cc engine producing 26 horsepower and 19.5 Nm of peak torque. While power figures remain the same, the 4.4 kilograms reduction in overall weight of the two motorcycles should help in offering better performance. Hero MotoCorp has launched a special edition of the Xtreme 160R. Hero has launched the Xtreme 160R Stealth Edition priced at 1.16 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The motorcycle gets an all-black color scheme and is based on the higher spec 160R that gets disc brakes on both the ends. It gets a USB charging socket and brightness adjustment for the LCD. The Stealth Edition continues to be powered by the 163cc air-cooled engine that develops 15.2 horsepower and 14 Nm of peak torque. Hero has also introduced the Pleasure Plus Xtec priced at 69,500 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The scooter gets a semi-analog instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity and SMS alerts, as well as cosmetic changes such as LED headlights and chrome treatment on the mirrors, exhaust and backrest. It continues to come powered by the 110cc engine that produces 8 horsepower and 8.7 Nm of peak torque. The engine gets an idle start-stop function as well. And in some exciting news, BMW Motorrad has launched a high-performance maxi scooter in India. BMW Motorrad has launched the C400 GT maxi scooter in India priced at 9.95 lakh rupees ex-showroom. It is the most powerful and most expensive scooter on sale in the country. The C400 GT gets large body panels, LED lights and a 15-inch front wheel. It also gets traction control, ABS and a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity and riding modes. The maxi scooter comes powered by a 350cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that develops 34 horsepower and 35 Nm of peak torque. It is mated to a CVT drivetrain and BMW claims a 0 to 100 kph time of 9.5 seconds and a top speed of 139 km per hour. Triumph Motorcycles has launched the updated Street Scrambler in India priced at 9.35 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The motorcycle gets cosmetic updates including an LED headlight with a new brushed aluminum headlight bracket and new throttle body finishers too. The bike now comes in two single-tone color options or one dual-tone paint scheme. It continues to be powered by a 900cc parallel twin engine that develops 65 horsepower and 80 Nm of peak torque. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox and gets 3 riding modes as well. And that's all the news we have this week. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next week with more news and more scoops from the exciting world of automobiles. Till then, keep enjoying Autocar India.